These are the FineDine mixing bowls. These bowls nest together so they take up less space. Notice the little lip here on the lid. This allows you to be able to remove the lid easily. Also notice when you stack the lids together, they take up very little space. Here's a tip. When you put the lid on, use your thumbs to push into the center of the lid to make it airtight. So here's a little test I did. I filled up each of the bowls with some water and put the lid on and then pressed the center to test if they could hold water without leaking. So I repeated the test with each of the bowls and they all were able to hold the water. On the largest bowl, I did push down a little bit harder to make sure I had a good seal. But as you can see, each of the bowls were able to hold water without leaking. So I use these bowls every day in my kitchen. I use them for mixing my ingredients when I'm baking, when I'm preparing a salad, marinating my meats. As you can see here, I'm using it to mix the ingredients for some corn muffins. So I really like the look of these bowls. I like stainless steel in my kitchen. I like this brushed steel finish on the backs of the bowls. They're very easy to keep clean, to wash with soap and water, and I like that they all come with lids. And I really like having these in my kitchen.